If you're diabetic or simply trying to keep your sugar intake low this festive season, this sugar-free barfi recipe is all you need. Welcome to Alia's Food Diary. We'll start by heating up a medium-sized pan. Add half a cup of water to it. Let's add some jaggery or gur, which I've already broken into small pieces. We'll also add some ground cardamom or elaichi powder. You'll notice that breaking up the jaggery ensures that it melts way faster, thus saving you time. Cook this mixture until all the jaggery is melted and it starts boiling. Let it boil for a minute. Then set it aside. Take another white bottom pan and pour in 2 cups of desiccated coconut. We'll dry roast the coconut on medium-low flame for a nutty flavor and aroma. Make sure you're using a heavy bottom pan and keep stirring constantly to keep it from burning. Another tip for a fine and a better textured barfi is to pulse the desiccated coconut for 30 seconds to a minute in your blender or food processor. We want a nice golden color on the coconut. Once it reaches that, take it off the pan. Do not let it get brown because it will taste burnt. Keeping the flame on low, bring the jaggery syrup back on the stove and add in the toasted coconut. We'll cook the barfi on low flame while scraping the sides with a spatula. Adding milk powder here is a preference as it gives a creamier texture and imparts a rich caramel-like taste. Mix it all together and cook until it comes together as a dough. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and push that subscribe button and don't forget the bell icon. We'll also add some ghee, giving the sweet its much needed fat, which helps in setting the barfi faster. Once you've cooked it enough and it looks like this, take a small amount out and try to form a ball. If it forms perfectly, take it off the heat. Line the mold with parchment and brush it with ghee beforehand. Immediately transfer the barfi mixture to the mold. And spread it with a spatula. Using your hands and the spatula, shape it into a square with half an inch of thickness. I enjoy this part the most because it just feels therapeutic. It's like playing with Play-Doh. You can also mold it into fun shapes if you like that. Now let this set for at least an hour. After it's set, transfer to a plate. Cut into equal size squares or diamonds. Make sure you brush the knife with ghee for cleaner cuts. We'll top each square with half an almond and press it down gently so it stays like that. Unlike sugar, jaggery has a lot of health benefits. While providing your desserts with the required sweetness, it also boosts your immunity, prevents respiratory problems, and it's a great source of gradual energy that lasts for a longer time instead of the short-lived energy boost that we get by eating sugar.